So this is the UniFi Long Range Wi-Fi router. What I'm gonna do is unbox this for you guys to see. So the reason why I decided to upgrade my network is because the TP-Link does not have any well, let me rephrase that. The TP-Link is a great router, but it does not have the features that I have. For example, it doesn't have a free firewall setting, right? In order for me to have or control my firewall is to purchase an extra, I think it was called quality of service. So with the UniFi, it's for free. You can manage your firewall, but with the TP-Link, you have it's additional costs to add firewall capability or feature in there. So this is the box right here. So you can see it's nice. It has an Apple-esque feel to it. What we're gonna do is unbox it. Okay, so you can see right there is nice. It's large. So let's see what the size is. I have my handy meter tape measure right here. It's roughly 9 inches. So it's huge for a router, but I'm going to be using this for the entire house. So, or maybe if I plan on using it if I want to expand it, I actually have another switch that I can use. So what they provide you is this right here. This is the UniFi 6 long range router. And what you get is a template. If you want to mount this on the wall or the ceiling, you get this. And they also provide you with a metal plate for your wall mount. They also provide you a plate that goes with the wall mount. And also, you get the manual right here. Yeah, so let's see the manual. Actually, it's online now, I think, but this is not a manual. Excuse me. This is the screws that you attach with the mount. So this is the screw accessories to mount this to your preference, and you also get a sticker. Believe this is where you get the manual now, so it's online. So you can scan that with your QR code, and then you can get started. So what I'm gonna do is, for my needs, what I'm gonna do is I'm not going to wall mount this until I get a solid place where I'm gonna be mounting it. So what I'm gonna do is just leave it on top of my cabinet and connect it from there. So this is it. This is the UniFi 6 long range router. It's huge, but it looks pretty. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. I'm gonna set this up here in a few. Comment, subscribe, like the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.